This is so nice. I can't believe there's a swimming pool at the airport. They have the cocktail. I'm so relaxed right now.
Sinead.
I can just stay here all day.
We're going to Da Nang.
So I'm flying solo today because Josh is tired from all of our adventures, but this is a perfect place to unwind and refresh. Coconut coffee. Feeling better after taking it easy all morning?
Yeah, I feel great. Ready for lunch.
Đâu quạch nè. This is the chrysanthemum.
Wow.
Yes. Thai basil.
It's like a flower. Watch your head.
Deep, deep. Are you ready for vegan cooking class?
Yes, chef.
He's usually good at this.
White tofu, vegan bolognese, seitan. All right, now do it.
I'm a professional.
He's great.
Hello. Could I get some of these? Okay, so hear me out. I know we said veggie. I got snails. Oh, whoa.
Yum. I didn't think I'd like snails. I really like this.
It's really good. How are you? You hungry?
I could eat.
Thank you. This looks so good. What is this again?
I think it's called mi kwang. Like noodles?
Mi Kwang. Delicious.
Wow, we've done so many amazing things in Vietnam.
Yeah.
We had that amazing beach day.
Yeah, you went surfing?
While you did nothing.
Yeah, that's great.
We had that awesome vegan cooking class.
Yes, best Vietnamese pancakes I've ever had.
Oh, and I had that amazing coconut coffee.
Yeah.
It's so good.
Now we're here.
Shall we make a wish?
Let's make a wish. What are you gonna wish for?
Maybe another trip to Vietnam?
Sounds good to me.